We're here today with John and Russell, and we're going to have a look around the Bedford TK here. Tell me about this motor. It's got a lot of history and the restoration's stunning. Tell me about this.
Thanks very much for that. Well, listen, first of all, this is the man who actually done the restoration. I've been on the phone to him day and night for him to get it right. He has got it right, and I want to say thanks very much for that. Job, hard work.
Yeah, it came into us a non-runner. We've got it going, stripped it down. And then obviously Russell started to say what he'd like to have built on it.
And this is where we got to today. So, if you want to have a walk around now, if you open up inside, this obviously my name is Bandit, my nickname, back from the CB days, radio. And as you know, I think you've done a YouTube on me before.
It goes very well with the Trans Am, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yes,
so
it does.
it follows through with the TK now. But yes, that wasn't actually my idea. I think that was actually John's idea to do that. But I'm actually pleased he did.
I like
that.
it. It fits very well.
It feels cool. Yeah. So there's the inside of it. Everything's been taken apart completely. Every nut and bolt taken off, repaired, replaced. And there it is today.
Stunning.
A lot of this
inside
stuff.
and
A lot of this stuff.
immaculate.
This stuff here come from Australia. The heater box come from Australia. Stuff has all come from all around the world to get this to this high level of restoration.
Sourcing the parts must have been a very big challenge.
Honestly, this man has worked so hard doing it.
It's rare to see these as well. They're not a common motor anymore, are they?
No.
And the amount of work you can see that's gone into this. So how long did this take from start to finish?
We started it in October and we finished it yesterday.
Oh, so only a year? Less than that?
Less.
Oh, wow.
But we haven't been working on it full
Well,
time.
that's a true testament to the work then, isn't it?
Yes.
That's amazing.
And every single bit has been stripped off, shot blasted, painted. We built it first and then we stripped it.
It was actually built on the chassis. Everything was built up, which we will see through these photographs. It was built, and then taken apart. Everything taken back off the vehicle, and then, oh my God, we just backfired.
We also have a car show happening at the same time as we're filming this.
And yes, it was all put back together. John, you might want to explain a little bit about the way you've done these ramps. I'll show them out, pull the ramps out. It's unreal how
And the ramps, obviously, comes down, they slide out.
There's a rubber insert there that goes over the top of these ramps to stop any scratching.
And then inside we put a rubber so they don't rattle.
Okay.
The attention to detail.
The attention to detail is
we've
massive,
not
yes.
left no stone unturned with this vehicle.
And so you haven't used it for recovery or anything yet?
We haven't used it for recovery yet, and I'm not sure if we're even going to.
Well, it is a stunning motor.
You never know.
This will be a very premier service. Just looking at it is just stunning. First thing, I pulled up to the show, walked around, saw this, and I was like, that is lovely.
Thank you very much. We're very proud of it.
So tell me about how you came to buy this vehicle in the first place.
As people might know, we're from car spares and the scrap metal industry, and someone actually phoned us up and said, look, could you come up to Staines, look at to clear a factory out. Turned up at the factory. The doors hadn't been open on the factory since 1977. This lorry was driven into that factory in 77. Doors were closed.
Wow.
And we
True barn find then.
Original barn find. It would have been 3 years ago. A roof opened up and leaked out a little bit onto the back body, but didn't damage the actual cab. And then they said, look, you cannot buy this lorry unless you clear the scrap, which obviously we did because we're scrap metal merchants. So we cleared all the scrap, and then the deal was done. Paid the man for the lorry, and it was taken straight from there, straight to this man's yard.
And then you worked your magic and made it as beautiful as it is.
Yes, done a very good job on it. We're very pleased with it. Good restoration, and now
it really is.
Monday morning he starts the new one. He doesn't know that
Constantly
yet.
busy.
I've just broken the news strip just
An
now.
exclusive first take.
Exclusive first. He starts to scan your skip lorry on Monday morning.
Thank you,
He's getting very nervous. So that's what. Look, if we can strike a deal, we're going to hopefully get that done for the show next year.
Oh,
So
fantastic.
hopefully it was a tribute to our business, the lorry that we started off with. It's going to be done.
And we'll be back again
Hopefully
next year. And
yes.
we'll be doing another video like this then.
Let's hope so. I certainly hope so.